Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a young girl named Cinderella. She was kind-hearted, with long golden hair and a gentle spirit. One day, as Cinderella wandered in the forest, she heard a mysterious voice calling her name. "Cinderella, you are the one who can end the curse," the voice whispered. Intrigued, Cinderella followed the voice until she came upon a glowing stone nestled beneath an ancient tree. As soon as she touched it, a wave of light surged through her, and she discovered she had been blessed with the rare ability to communicate with the elements: earth, water, fire, and air. With this newfound gift, Cinderella realized that the only way to lift the curse was to unite the four elemental rulers: the king of earth, the king of water, the king of fire, and the king of air. Each of these rulers controlled a separate part of the kingdom, and only by joining forces could they restore balance and light to the land. Her journey began in the realm of Earth, where she met the Earth King. He was a tall, powerful man, with the strength of mountains. His realm was a rugged, rocky land, and his ability to shape the earth made him a formidable ruler. "We must unite, Cinderella," he said. "But we cannot do so without understanding each other's powers." Next, Cinderella traveled to the Water King's realm, a peaceful river valley, where the Water King lived. He was elegant, with silver hair that shone like the moonlight on water. His power to control the tides and the currents was unmatched. "Cinderella," he said, "our powers alone cannot break the curse. Only together can we heal the kingdom." Afterward, she journeyed to the fiery volcanoes of the Fire King's realm. The Fire King was fierce, with red-hot hair and a commanding presence. Flames swirled around him as he spoke. "The heat of fire alone cannot save the kingdom, but if we combine our strengths, we can burn away the darkness." Finally, Cinderella reached the highest mountain to meet the Air King, a gentle but powerful ruler who commanded the winds. He was tall and elegant, with robes that fluttered in the breeze. "Air alone cannot change the world," he said. "But with unity, we can restore balance to all the elements." Cinderella, with her gentle spirit and newfound powers, convinced the four kings to put aside their differences and unite their forces. Together, they stood in the heart of the kingdom, each king channeling their element: earth, water, fire, and air. Cinderella raised her hands, and with a burst of energy, the elements combined in a magnificent explosion of light and color. The darkness that had shrouded the kingdom for so long began to fade. The trees and rivers sparkled once more, the sun shone brightly in the sky, and the land was filled with warmth and hope. The curse had been broken. From that day forward, Cinderella was known as the savior of the hidden kingdom. She had proven that even the most humble and kind-hearted person could change the world. She remained in the kingdom, using her connection to the elements to protect the land, ensuring that the light would never fade again. And so, the kingdom flourished, and Cinderella lived happily ever after, knowing that the true power lay not in strength alone, but in unity, love, and